Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Pwedeng new person ito, or the person that you're currently dealing with, or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Okay, let's see what is happening. Pwede nyo panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aries. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let us see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Kuha tayo ng mga messages, random messages from Romance and Love Oracle for Aries, please. Aries. We have voids. Avoid rushing to fill voids with love. Seek inner fulfillment first. Avoid rushing. Kailangan nyo muna pag-isipan ng mabuti before you rush into something when it comes to your relationship. Mayroon kayong isaalang-alang muna. Dreams. Look to your dreams. They hold all the answers you seek. Okay. Sparks. Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Okay. Keep the flame alive. Okay. Keep the sparks flying and surprise each other. Dates, surprises, travel, and trips. Yung iba sa inyo may mga plans together with your loved one. Together with your person. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Aries, please. Okay. Okay. Your person feels that you are a kind person. Okay. You are caring and nurturing, Aries. Yun yung nakikita niya sa inyo, pero hindi mo lang ma-express. You are capable to love and be loved. Okay. Yung person ninyo, meron siyang gustong plano para sa inyong dalawa about security. Okay? Financial security for both of you. Pag-build or pagbili ng bahay, pagsasama ninyong dalawa. Okay? Meron siyang mga plans. And he or she feels that you're a kind person. Okay? Na-appreciate ka ng person ninyo, Aries. Yeah. Gusto maging straightforward. May mga plans sa inyo ang person nyo. Okay? Gusto niya i-communicate yon directly. Marami siyang iniisip, and at the same time, he or she has a lot of love, pero hindi niya din na-express. Parang lagi lang siyang nasa isip niya. Okay? You feel that your person is attractive. Yeah. Okay. You have the hearts for your person. Okay. The challenge is, parang feeling mo, meron siyang tinatago. Yung person mo. Okay. Feeling mo din at times because hindi niya masyado na-express verbally or napapakita sa inyo na mahal ka niya or nagkikare siya sa inyo. Parang feeling mo detached siya. Okay. Yeah. Siguro kailangan nyo magkita, mag-usap. May mga dapat na mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Mga events, activities, get together. Pero it seems na parang hindi nyo magawa. Maybe you are in a long distance relationship with this person, Aries. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yung blockage is the distance. Parang hindi nyo ma-express sa isa't isa kung ano yung nararamdaman ninyo. Okay? Meron kayong mga plans or gustong gawin together, but the problem is maybe magkalayo kayo. Okay? Magkaiba kayo ng oras. Long distance. Okay? Yeah. Both of you is still fighting for each other, fighting for the love that you have for each other. Okay, parang pinaglalaban ninyo ang inyong relasyon. Okay, kahit mahirap, you feel na parang merong competition. You feel because yung person ninyo is attractive. Okay. But for now, parang wala kang magawa. Okay? Temporarily, parang gusto mo muna iwasan or iwanan temporarily ang inyong relationship and you will just move forward sa mga bagay na makapagpasaya sa inyo. Okay? Sa mga goals mo or ambitions ninyo. Yeah. Get together with friends, enjoying, okay? Para makalimutan mo pansamantala yung longing or yung miss mo sa iyong person. Let's see. Yeah. You feel na parang may tinatago. Ang challenge is parang may tinatago sa inyo yung person mo. Na parang hindi mo alam. Parang may mga ginagawa, you feel na parang may mga ginagawa siya na hindi dapat. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Your person feels na parang kailangan niya pa i-improve ang kanyang buhay. He or she needs stability. Kailangan niya muna ayusin ang kanyang sarili. Kailangan niya magkaroon ng ng direksyon. Yeah. Why? By the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. Gusto niya, yes, para meron siyang gustong ipakita sa inyo, meron siyang gustong patunayan, okay? Kasi gusto niya mag-grow kayong dalawa sa inyong relationship. Na maging successful at maayos kayo sa lahat ng aspeto, financially, okay, merong security dyan. Meron na ring bahay. Okay. So, parang meron pang gustong ayusin ang inyong person. Gusto niya i-nurture ang inyong relationship, okay? Medyo mabagal yung galaw niya ng person ninyo. Okay. Pero siguro nagiging maingat lang din yung person ninyo, okay? Parang lagi kasi siyang nasa isip niya. Parang goal-oriented siya. Nag-start kayo as friends before and nag-turn into a lover, okay? Nag-turn into a romantic relationship ang inyong relationship. Yeah. He or she thinks na marami ka ring plans para sa sarili mo. Okay? Madami kang mga ganap na pinaplano sa buhay mo. Something exciting, okay? Something creative. Parang tinitingnan mo pa kung ano yung direction din ang iyong patutunguhan. Okay? Parang may sarili ka ring direction. Okay? Pero you are a loving person. He or she thinks that you are a loving person. Okay? Maalaga sa family mo. You have a lot of love inside you. Very generous, pero hindi mo lang ma-express. And marami kang plans para sa sarili mo, Aries. Some exciting na mga ventures, okay? Sa work mo maybe. Planning of travel and trips. Yeah. Your person wants to work things out with you. Gusto niya maging malapit kayo. Okay? Yeah. Gusto niya meron kayong pagkakaintindihan. Kung ano may differences ninyong dalawa. Gusto niya maayos yun. Gusto niya magkalapit kayo or magkasama. Aries. Okay? Hindi lang din talaga ganun ka-vocal or expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman ang person ninyo. Pero marami siyang plans or mayroon siyang mga vision about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And maybe you think that mayroon siyang ibang mga ginagawa. Okay? Kasi hindi nga siya ganun ka-expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman. Hindi siya ganun ka-emotional. Okay? Gusto niya i-work out na may magandang mangyari sa inyong dalawa, sa inyong relationship. May mga plans siya. Yes. So, yeah. Yeah. You feel gusto mo ng new beginning with your person, okay? You feel na kung ang person mo parang madami siyang ginagawa or pagod na siya and all that. Pero may mga magkagandang nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? Gusto mo ma-overcome kung ano man yung mga problema or concerns or issues ninyo sa inyong pagsasama, okay? And you feel that your person is also burdened sa kanyang work. Kaya, nawawalan din ng oras or ng quality time with you. And that's what you want. You know? Okay? Pero yung passion nandiyan. Yung passion mo sa person mo nandiyan. Okay? Aside sa love mo yung person mo, you are also sexually attractive to this person and you feel that this person is sexually attractive, okay? Sensual, something like that. Yeah. The problem is, yung person mo, parang feeling mo, parang wala siyang plan na parang wala siyang plan para sa inyong dalawa. You feel na okay na yung person nyo maging solo or independent. Parang sarili niya lang ang iniisip niya. Ambitious, parang marami pa siyang gustong marating or magawa. That's the problem. That's the challenge, okay? May mga gusto pa siyang abutin. Yeah. And you feel na parang siya lang din ang nakakaalam nun. Siya lang nagpaplano. Hindi niya sinishare sa'yo kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari. Okay? Sa inyong relationship, kung may plano ba siya or wala. Or ang plano niya lang ay para sa sarili niya na maging independent and successful sa life. Okay? But your person pinapakita niya sa inyo na gusto niya i-work out ang inyong relationship. Gusto niya maging close kayo, maayos ang sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. But you know, when it comes to planning about for the both of you, parang hindi ganun na napapag-usapan, okay? Kailangan i-express, siguro kailangan nyo magkita, pag-usapan ng maayos kung anong plano ninyo, anong direksyon ninyong dalawa. Yes. Both of you, kailangan mag-usap kayo. You work together of the same direction. You work together on the same direction. Okay? Dapat magkaroon kayo ng iisang direction lang. Iisang goals. Parang magkaroon ka, dapat meron kayong mga couple goals. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yun yung kailangan nyo. Otherwise, you will not be seeing eye to eye. You will not be on the same page. Magkaiba kayo. Okay? Hindi mag-work out. Parang laging may arguments, hindi pagkakaintindihan kasi hindi napapag-usapan kung ano yung plano ninyong dalawa para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Anong direksyon ng inyong relationship? And yun ang gusto mong malaman. Gusto mo ng clarity. Aries, gusto mo maging transparent, you know kung ano, gusto mo malaman kung ano yung nangyayari sa person ninyo. Ano yung sa isip niya, anong intention niya. Okay? And kailangan mangyayari lang yan kung magkikita kayo, pag-usapan ninyo ng masinsinan. Kung saan kayo patutungo. Okay? Parang daming, kung hindi bigyan ng solusyon, parang ang daming complications, okay, in your relationship. Kailangan ng pag-uusap. Let us see. Yeah. You need clarity. Or kailangan ng clarification sa inyong situation, sa inyong relationship. May mga tanong kayo, may gusto kayong i-clarify, mayroon kayong gustong malaman, ano yung nasa isip ng person ninyo, anong plano niya sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's get messages from Love Oracle. O, biglang for Aries, please. Aries. Aries. No one understands me but you. I wish to be like you. Okay. Why is it that you love me? Aries. I wish I could be fully honest with you. You deserve better. Okay. So, Aries, these are the messages and the energies for your love, relationship, or romantic situation. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Okay? Bye.